This winter's forecast for the US is a major change from last year's. Hi, my name is Brittany. I'm a meteorologist with WeatherBug. Here is the 2024-2025 winter weather outlook. A big story last year was El Nino. Now, this year we're flipping the switch, and La Nina is expected to be in place for the winter months. This is December through February, and it's expected to have a big impact on our weather here in the US. La Nina is a naturally occurring climate cycle. It's when the waters in the equatorial Pacific are cooler than normal. Now, the water temperatures in this area have a huge impact of weather patterns all over the globe. Now, there are plenty of other weather patterns, ocean patterns, and oscillations impacting this winter weather's outlook, but La Nina is a big one. Before we get into the exact forecast, let's talk about what La Nina typically brings to the US. We typically see drier and warmer than normal conditions for the southern tier, and wetter than normal conditions for parts of the northern tier. So let's get into the actual forecast for this winter season. Now keep in mind, if I say your snow chances are below normal, it does not mean you will never see snow or even see a big snow. We're talking on average throughout the entire winter season. This is the months December through February. Here are the 5 key points for this winter season's forecast. For the north central US, expect below average temperatures. There could be more frequent cold outbreaks for the western Great Lakes, upper Midwest, northern plains, northern Rockies, and even into the northwest, thanks to the jet stream dipping farther south than these locations. For the northern half of the US, expect some more snowfall this year. Above average precipitation and colder than normal temperatures, along with more frequent weather systems moving through, are expected. So especially for locations like the Northwest, Northern Rockies, Northern Plains, Upper Midwest, and parts of the Northeast. This will help with the drought conditions. For the East Coast and the Southern US, warmer than normal temperatures are forecast for you this winter season. While cold outbreaks are still possible, the jet stream will likely not drop far enough south as frequently. Also, with more southerly winds, warm air will be pumped into the south and eastern coast locations. Also, for the southern US, unfortunately, drought conditions won't be as improved here, with drier than normal conditions expected, especially in Texas. And lastly, for the eastern half of the US, severe weather outbreaks are more likely, especially for the lower and middle Mississippi River Valley, as well as the Ohio and Tennessee valleys. With the warmer than normal conditions in the east and colder than normal temperatures in the west, these air masses colliding will help produce severe weather as weather systems move east. And that is the 2024-2025 winter season outlook. Be sure to download WeatherBug to keep updated on the forecast throughout the winter season.